last year we lost John Blankenship, a dear friend, and his girlfriend come and said one of his last wishes was to have his ashes blown out at Tri-5 Nationals in the 57. So we're going to honor that wish. We miss him dearly. It sucks he's not here this year, but you know what? I know he's here, but you know.
He actually wrote out.
So we're going
he
to.
Wanted the 57.
We're gonna honor his
give him
wish.
a ride.
So he's going for a fast ass ride right now.
I mean, hey, we know John. He was fast.
John, hey,
on a motorcycle.
John drove a Nitro Harley.
He was a wild
He was
man.
a bad man. So we love him dearly. We miss him, and this is for him.
Like I said, he wrote it out, pre-planned. When this happens, he wants it spread in the 57. So
He got it.
All right, well, next pass coming up.
Yep.
Be for John.
That's for John.
all right, we're going up for our last pass at the Tri-5 Nationals. This one is kind of a special one for me and for all of us. Earlier this year, we lost a good friend to all of us and a near and dear friend to me, John Blankenship, one of the best guys I have ever met in this business, in this industry. And one of his written final requests was to have his ashes spread at the racetrack at Bowling Green in the 57. And his family brought the ashes to us today, and we have them packed in the chute. And we're about to send John on his last ride, and hopefully it's a fast one. And we put our buddy John Blankenship, who we lost earlier this year's ashes, in the parachutes. He wanted his ashes spread from the 57 at the racetrack, and we just gave him his last ride. Miss you, buddy.